total process, okay, ki how to prepare in this old method, okay. Just schematic diagram was there, okay, chart I can tell, okay, chart was there, okay. So there we have learned, okay. So we have learned about that mother tincture also, okay. Mother tincture is actually not a homeopathic medicine, okay. It is just a like way, or you can tell the base of the homeopathic medicine, okay. Then we have learnt about uh, Dr. Hahnemann's way of preparation. Okay, means what he is telling actually about the mother tincture. Okay, now we have to see more about this. That is the allopathic mother tincture and homeopathic mother tincture. Okay, actually there should not be any comparison. Okay, because both are very separate thing. Okay, but still some comparison is there that we will see. Okay. There are these allopathic mother tinctures are mostly made up of dry drug materials. Okay, these are made from the dry plants. Other than the introduction of foreign substances, example tincture of sanguinaria containing acetic acid, tincture of opium containing phosphates of lime, tincture of rheum containing cardamom. Okay, so like this. Okay, normally in allopathic mother tincture, single alkaloid is used. We have talked about alkaloid. Okay, one single fixed or basic alkaloid which is most useful or which is the basic uh, part of that drug that is used, okay. But in homeopathy we use that plant part, okay. So that plant part, it may contain many alkaloids that may be like in nux vomica strychnine may be there, okay. Then many others may be there, okay. So like that in belladonna, okay, belladonine is one of the alkaloid, but there are many other very less percentage of other alkaloids are there, okay. These are made from the fresh plant, okay, because their medicinal properties remain quite intact. They are far superior to dry one. When the fresh plants are not available, dry one should be used. Example, tincture of sanguinaria made from the rhizome, tincture of opium and rheums are pure. Okay, so just this is the like you can tell ki Athar has told about this, or he has some just his own opinion among that. Okay, so but like allopathic medicine, I told you earlier, ki they just used one single alkaloid, okay, and that's why this terminology alkaloid came, okay. Otherwise, before this term, alkaloid was not there so much, okay. But in homeopathy, we use many alkaloids. Okay. Then allopathic tinctures are standard on the basis of alkaloid, glycosides, etc. contained in the medicinal substances. Homeopathic tincture prepared from the whole plant, leaves, fruits, as the case may be, without considering alkaloid content in the medicinal substances. Okay, that I just told you. Okay, we are not just considering the alkaloids. What alkaloid is there? Okay, just I have given you example also of like this Cinchona bark experiment. Okay, Cinchona, like there in homeopathy we are not considering the quinine sulfate. Okay, that is the alkaloid. Okay, but in allopathy same thing is made is a from same thing we make medicine, that is the quinine sulfate. Okay, that is the many trade name it comes. Okay, so like that. So are very much important in allopathic system of medicine, okay. Means they are just using a single you can tell a single uh, this single content, okay. You can tell allopathic tinctures are standard on the basis of alkaloid glycosides, okay. Then allopathic tinctures are generally reddish or brown in color, okay. It depends upon the which type of alkaloid we are using, okay. It is not like a hard and fast rule ki it should be color should be like this, okay. But for difference you can write if question may come, okay. Homeopathic tinctures are generally green with prepared from fresh plants, etc., and sometimes reddish or brownish when prepared from the dry vegetables. Okay, so that is the mother tincture may have a different color. Mostly it may be greenish color, mostly reddish color, mostly it may be like brownish color. Okay, mostly these three colors are there. Okay, and homeopathic drugs are normally in color of that alcohol, okay. That is the like just it is colorless, you can tell watery color, you can tell, or colorless, okay. And different classes under mother tinctures, okay. So just we are studying the same these classes only, okay. Hahnemann classified the drug substances from vegetable kingdom, okay. Some of animal sources for the preparation of mother tincture into four classes depending upon their juicy content. Already we have discussed yesterday, okay, how juicy content, like class 1, okay, most juicy plants, class 2, medium juicy plants, okay, class 3, least juicy plants, and class 4, dried vegetables, animal substances, and also with the fresh animals. Okay, now this is class 1. Okay, so if long question may come, okay, you have to explain from here. Okay, you have to make that table and you have to explain from here. Okay, and everything you need not to explain, just you have to consider the crux, or you can tell the summary of this part. Okay, class 1. Hello. Okay, class 1 means plants are introduced in these classes. Okay, uh, because it is Dr. Hahnemanian classification, he has not visited India, okay, and not the Asian countries. Okay, so that's why all the plants he is
क्या
talking mostly is from the
10 मिनट का
European
बाद
countries. Okay, most of the European plants are included in this class. The plants in this class contains large quantity of juice. Okay, remember this, large quantity of this. And most important part is the examples. You need to remember the example. Okay, I will talk with about these examples. Okay. Then next is the tinctures are prepared with equal part in weight of the dry juice and alcohol. Okay, what will be the content, equal part of the juice and equal part of the alcohol. Okay, 1 each to 1, remember. Okay, class 1 means 1 each to 1. Okay, how much alcohol or vehicle, okay, alcohol, there may be alcohol, there may be distilled water. Okay, and that same part will be the drug substances, juicy drug substances. Okay, so fundamental rules of this classification or class has been described in by Dr. Hahnemann in the Materia Medica Pura. Okay, under belladonna. Okay, under the chapter belladonna. Okay, okay, so remember, example, class 1 example is belladonna. Okay, one example I'm telling. Okay, and here you are expected only one or two examples, nothing more than that. Okay, you are not like in PG or like in internship or like in fourth year. Okay, you will, somebody will expect more from you. Okay, just they will expect class 1 one or two example. Okay, so don't take tension about that. You have to remember, okay, class 1 belladonna. Okay, next, these are applied in the juices but not viscid materials and not containing resins, terpenes, and volatile oils. Okay. Now, how will you prepare the mother tincture? Okay. How from class 1 mother tinctures are prepared? Okay. Requirements. Okay. Ingredient. Okay. What are the ingredient? Okay. Select drug substances, fresh plant, whole. Okay. Mother tincture will be prepared. Okay. Now, how will you prepare? Okay, you have to use, then second thing is strong alcohol. Okay, then wooden chopping board and knife, already we have seen chopping board and knife. Okay, porcelain mortar and pestle you have to use, horn made spatula you have to use, linen cloth you have to use, that will work as a sieve. Okay, linen cloth you will use, that will work as a sieve. Okay, then a clean small beaker you have to use. Okay, glass stopper files you have to use. Okay, glass funnel with stand you have to use. Okay, then filter paper you have to use, then another clean file with new non-porous velvet cork you have to use, balance with weight box you have to use. Okay, we can do these things in electronic balance also. Okay, pen, paper, gums, and scissors also you need. Okay, now what you have to do? Okay, okay, part B, procedure. The fresh plant or the part of the plant, root, bark, leaves are cut into small pieces with a well polished, okay, steel knife. Okay, steel knife, why? Otherwise there will be just rusting issue may be there. Okay, free from rust. Okay, on a clean chopping board and pounded to a pulp with a mortar and pestle. Okay, Then the pulp is now enclosed in a new linen cloth, and the juice is expressed by means of pressing or by or uh, wringing the cloth. Okay, just rotating the cloth. When you will rotate the cloth, you will get all the juices. Okay, juicy part you will get. Okay, remember this. The next part, what we have to do, express juice in weight and keep in a glass jar. Okay, juice you got. Okay, then equal quantity by weight of strong alcohol is added to it. Okay, then after that, what we will do, okay, this is very simple procedure, but you need to remember, okay, how it is done. Okay, because these are the basic print. These procedures are like history for us. Okay, means whatever is done previously. Okay, Dr. Hanneman, he has done at that time. Okay, so just this is like a history part. Okay, means it was done. Okay, so like that only. Next is the mixture is shaken vigorously for a some time and then put into a well-stocked bottle and allowed to stand for 8 days in a cool, dark place and then filtered. How many days? 8 days. Remember it. Okay. Means after putting alcohol, you have to keep it for 8 days. Then it is poured in a clean file provided with the best quality of new non-porous velvet cork. Okay, then there you have to keep. Okay, so this is the mother tincture prepared. Okay, now drug power. Okay, just drug substances 1 ml. Okay, solvent 1 ml. Mother tincture total is 2 ml. Okay, so what mother tincture? This is just an example. Okay, what is the drug power? Okay, in 2 ml mother tincture, the drug substances is 1 ml, 1 ml mother tincture, the drug substance is 1 by 2 ml, drug power is 1 by 2. Okay, what we have discussed, okay, means drug power is equal to drug substances divided by drug substances plus vehicle. Okay, so 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the preparation of class 1. Okay, now, how will you do the potentization? Okay, this is the mother tincture. Okay, this mother tincture is not a homeopathic medicine. Okay, this is just what you have got. Okay, this is a, you can tell, a juicy part, or you got in the preservatives like alcohol or distilled water. Okay, now we have to go for potentization. And this potentization process is the preparation of homeopathic medicines. Okay, potentization or succussion, centesimal scale, already we have talked about centesimal scale, ratio is 1 is to 99. Okay, 2 minims of the mother tincture of the drug and 98 minims of dilute alcohol are mixed. Okay, 1 is to 99, 2 minims or 1 minims. Okay, just understand, minims means drops. Okay, minims word was used by Dr. Henneman at that time. Okay, but nowadays you can synonym it as a minims means drops. Okay, the 2 drops of the mother tincture of the drug and 98 minims of the dilute alcohol are mixed, and then 10 downwards strokes of equal strength are given. Okay, it will give the first potency. Okay, 10 downwards stroke, okay, like this, and it will give the this one first potency. Okay, so till here, anything, any doubt you have? Hello.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Uh, means everything is clear na till here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 1 minim of first potency and 99 minims of the dispensing alcohol and 10 downwards strokes of equal strength will give the second potency. Okay, same procedure what we have talked, okay, in centesimal scale. Okay, again same thing we will study in potentization chapter also. Okay, next that chapter is potentization, there also we will study the same thing. Okay, that's why I am telling ki when we will go through the different chapters, everything will be easy for you. Okay, all succeeding potencies are prepared by taking 1 minim of the proceeding potency and 99 minims of the dispensing alcohol. Okay, so this much is about the this first pot. Okay, now how will you make in the decimal potency? Okay, decimal already we know 1 is to 9. Okay, 1 is to 9. Decimal scales 2 minims of the mother tincture of the drug and 8 minims of the dilute alcohol are mixed. Okay, there 2 minims, okay, and 98. Here 2 minims and 8 minims. Okay, then 10 dot downwards of equal strength will give the 1x potency. Okay, same thing. Here you have to go through 1:9 ratio. Okay, first minimum of 1x potency and 9 minims of the dilute alcohol and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength will give the second potency. Okay, all succeeding potencies are proceeded by taking 1 minim of the preceding potency and 9 minims of the dilute alcohol. Okay, so like this. So this is the first class or first classification procedures. Okay, now we will go to the next part. Okay, drug under these classes. Okay, class first, which drugs are there? Vegetable sources. Okay, whole plant aconite nipalis is there. Okay, Anagallis arvenesis is there. Okay, Asrum evaporatum is there. Okay, Belladonna is there. Okay, the aconite you can remember, Belladonna you can remember, Pallis persinis is there, Chamomilla is there, Chilidonium majus is there. Okay, Convallaria majoris is there. Okay, Cynodon is there. Okay, Drosera is there. Okay, Hyoscyamus is there. Okay, Lilium tiglium is there. Okay, Manthus is there. Okay, Millifolium is there. Okay, Petrocilium is there. Okay, Plantago is there. Okay, Ranunculus is there. Solanaceum is there. Okay, Taxanium is there. Okay, Thalpsi bursa is there. Okay, so many drugs are there under this class. Okay, so many times when we are making herbarium, okay, many teacher ask to write the class, okay, ki this drug comes under which class. Okay, but actually I am not told to do this because it is very confusing for some drugs. Okay, some drugs when we go ahead we will see same drug is in class 1 also, same drug is in class different class also. Okay, that's why just I am not asking you to write, but remember when your examiner will see your herbarium, okay, sometimes they used to ask, okay, like if you have kept belladonna, if you have kept opium, okay, they will start asking it is from which class. Okay, as per Dr. Hahnemanian classification, this is from which class. Okay, Dulcamara is there. Okay, then gratifolia is there. Okay, then Eutrichia urens is there. Okay, so many things are there, so you take reference of these also when you are collecting, okay, for your knowledge. Okay, because examiner you don't have any control. Okay, examiner may, okay, ask anything. Aram, okay, roots aram terracontium is there. Okay, aram trifolium is there, aram maculatum is there. Okay, bryonia alba is there. Okay, at least for main drug you remember, like bryonia is there, belladonna is there, dulcamara is there. Okay, drosera is there. So for main drug you now you will not understand the same thing. Okay, when you will go to complete all the chapters slowly you will understand which drugs are important, because there is repetitions of that drug, again repetition, you will understand it. So for that at least you remember. Okay, these drugs are falling in which class. Okay, then cicuta is there. Okay, cyclamen is there. Okay, tennesus is there, rumax is there. Okay, so like that. Then stem with leaves. Okay, then clematis erecta. Okay, then modified stems. Okay, bulbs. Okay, colchicum autumnale is there, colchicum is also, okay, juicy part is used. Then leaves, where leaves are used. Okay, just we will see. Bryophyllum is there already, you know. Okay, Calanthus is there. Okay, Cactus is there. Then Calendula is there. Okay, Calendula you can remember, very simple thing, marigold, Calendula officinalis. Syphilandra indica is there. Digitalis is there. Okay, Solanum is there. Okay, flowers. Okay, Cannabis sativa is there. Okay, fruits, then fruits are Remnus is there. Okay, Solanum too is there. Okay, seeds Avena sativa is there. Okay, bark granatum is there. Okay, so like that you have to remember. Then minerals and chemical sources, causticum is there. Okay, then instructions of Heinemann, what instructions he has given for class first class. Okay, so according to section 267 of the fifth edition of Organon of Medicine, fresh juices of the fresh gathered indigenous plant. Indigenous you already understand, okay, actually where they are original drug substances, okay, they are not brought from somewhere and they are collected and they are just cultivated, okay, they are at the wild variety, okay, they are originally cultivated at that place, that is called as a indigenous plant, is fixed, extracted in order to obtain the medicinal qualities in the most of the complete and certain manner at a fresh state. It is immediately mixed with the equal parts of the alcohol of uh, strength sufficient to burn in a lamp. Now it is kept in a well stopper bottle for a days and night. Thus results in deposition of the fibrous and the albuminous matter at the bottom of the bottle. Then the clear super complaint fluids is to be decanted off from the medicinal substances. Okay, the alcohol use is to dissolve. This alcohol will help you to dissolve the drug material or juicy or alkaloid or useful medicinal part of that particular drug in that juicy part. Okay, alcohol is added to prevent any fermentation of vegetable juices, which is thus retained perfect and unique forever by keeping preparation in well-corked bottle and protected from the sunlight, heat, and strong smelling substances. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, 1:1 ratio you need to remember, examples you need to remember. Okay, so this much is important for remembering. Okay. Okay, now next is the class 2. Okay, class 1 done. Any confusion in class 1? Anything you have not understood in class 1? Any confusion or go through this class 1? Okay, then we will see. Okay, next time we can talk if you have any confusion. Okay, then and we cannot change anything. Okay, already I told you this is the history part. Okay, what Dr. Hahnemann told or done at that time, that's why we cannot change anything. Okay, who are not satisfied with this class system or this system of classification, they already generated the new method of classification of the new method of preparation of mother tincture. Okay, that is the European Committee of Homeopathy. Okay, so next is the class second. Okay, introduction. This class includes those plants European which contains only small quantity of juices. Okay, remember this small quantity of juice. Okay, fundamental rules for the classification has been prescribed in by Dr. Hahnemann. Materia medica pura under Thusa. Okay, Thusa occidentalis is one homeopathic medicine. So you have to remember these things under Thusa. Okay, so class 1 you have to remember under belladonna. Okay, class 2 you have to remember with the thusa. Okay, then next is the this is applicable to non mucilaginous materials containing resins, terpentines or volatile oils. Okay, then next, how will you prepare preparation of mother tinctures? Okay, how will you prepare the mother tincture? First is the principle. The tincture is prepared by adding 2 parts of the strong alcohol by weight to 3 parts of by juice of the plant by weight. Okay, 2 is to 3. Okay, remember here. Here ratio is changed. Okay, in class 2, okay, what will be the ratio? 2 is to 3. Okay, the tincture is prepared by adding 2 parts of the strong alcohol by weight to the 3 parts of the juice of the plant by weight. Okay, means 2 part is alcohol and 3 part is juice. Okay, remember here. Okay, little means little change is there. Okay, you can tell. Okay, normally 1:1 or 1:9, 9 part is like we keep like this vehicle, but here different vehicle is less, juicy part is more. Okay, requirement ingredients. Okay, selected drug substances, the plant its part whose mother tincture will be prepared, like if you will take an example of thusa. Okay, strong alcohol we have to take. Okay, then utensils and apparatus what we have to take. Okay, wooden chopping board and knife we have to take. Okay, wooden chopping board and knife. Porcelain mortar and pestle we have to take. Horn-made spatula we have to take. Linen cloth new and sterile we have to take, so that we can just take out the juicy part properly. Okay, Okay, a clean small beaker is there, a glass stopper file is there, glass funnel with stand is there, another clean file provided with best quality of new non-porous velvet cork is there, filter paper should be there, okay, balance and weight box should be there, pen, paper, gum, scissors should be there. Okay, then next is the procedure. The fresh plant or plant therefore are cut into small pieces with polished steel knife on a clean chopping board and poured to a pulp with mortar and pestle. Okay, all the same procedures are same again. Okay, you have to chop in small pieces. Okay, then after that means you have to just mix with the vehicle. Okay, so like that. The chopped drug is weighted for every three parts of the drug. Two parts by weight of alcohol is taken. Okay, means here drug part is more, three part. Okay, and alcohol part is less. Okay, two part. Okay, the whole quantity of the chopped drug is at first moistened with just the quantity of the alcohol. Okay, necessary to bring the whole mass into a thick pulp. Okay, remaining portion of the alcohol is now added to the drug and kept for 2 to 3 days. Okay, where here, okay, for previous one we have to keep that for the 8 days. Okay, but this class 2 we have to keep it for 2 to 3 days. Remember it. Okay, the whole quantity is now stand through a piece of new linen cloth. Okay, means again you have to do same thing. You have to keep all the things with the out with the help of linen cloth. Okay. Then the tincture thus obtained is allowed to stand 8 days in a well stopper bottle. Okay, cool dark place and then filter. Okay, again same thing, 8 days here also. Okay, just 2 to 3 days you have to keep it for mixing. Okay, then it is poured in a clean file. Okay, provided with the best quantity of new non-porous velvet cork. Okay, so this is the same procedure except what, except the
I'm saying,
accept ratio.
no, liar. Hmm.
Okay, accept ratio, everything is same. Okay, then next is the drug power. Okay, again drug power is little mathematical. Okay, you have to see. Okay, don't confuse with this, little mathematical. Okay, drug power ratio of the medicinal substances is strong alcohol 3 is to 2. Okay, means ratio. Okay, but medicinal substances is 1 cc loss. Okay, means here when you are putting alcohol and medicinal juices, some loss is there. Okay, vaporization is there. Okay, that's why it is written 1 cc loss. Okay, then medicinal substances is 3 cc loss. Okay, then 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to 1 cc. Okay, so net medicinal substances is 2 cc. There is no loss of vehicle. Okay, strong alcohol. Net medicinal substances 2 cc, solvent 2 cc, mother tincture 4 cc. Okay, so now here see, this is asked many times in competitive exam. Okay, because just we do the normal calculation and it is not in normal calculation. Okay, so that's why this is asked in competitive exams. Okay. Okay, now just see the next calculation. If 4 cc mother tincture, net medicinal substances 1 cc. Okay, if 1 cc mother tincture, net medicinal substances is equal to 2 by 4. Okay, that's why drug power is 1 by 2. Okay, and this you have to remember as it is. Okay, that problem I told because of vaporization process. Okay, because for drug power we will make like, okay, here drug substances is 3. Okay, then vehicle is 2. Okay, so what we will do, 3 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, so what will happen, 3 divided by 5. Okay, that is will be the drug power or drug strength. Okay, but thing is changed. Okay, because of this loss of the because of vaporization or compression. Okay, what will happen, your drug power is 1 by 2, and many times this is asked in competitive exam, what is the drug power of the drug in class 2. Okay, why, because it is not under the normal calculation. Okay, so this you have to remember because this is just a little you can tell a little exceptional part. Okay, remember it. Then potentization process, okay, we have only 5 minutes, okay, so if anything will happen, okay, just we will continue next time, means if it will close we will continue next time, okay. Potentization, succussion, okay, first we will do the succussion process, okay. Succussion is always done for a liquid, okay, liquid drug, and trituration is always done for the which is not soluble, okay, like solid drug substances, okay. Remember, this terminology is only till now as I understood in homeopathy, okay. That's why you have to remember this terminology, okay. Then 2 minims of the mother tincture and 98 minims of the dilute alcohol are mixed and the 10 downwards strokes are given, okay, equal strengths are given. It gives the first potency, okay. Then 1 minims of the first potency and 99 minims of the dispensing alcohol and 10 downwards strokes are given, equal strengths are given, and second potency, okay. Rest of the procedure is same, okay. Important part is the preparation of mother tincture, okay, in especially in the older method, because in each class preparation of mother tincture, the ratio of vehicle and the ratio of the drug substances is very different, okay, remember it. Then next is the all preceding potencies are prepared by taking 1 minims of the preceding potency and 99 minims of the dispensing alcohol, okay. Then decimal scale, okay, again same procedure is there, okay, but we will go through it. 2 minims of the mother tincture and 8 minims of the dilute alcohol are mixed and 10 downwards strokes of equal strengths are given. It gives 1 at 1x potency. 1 minims of the first potency and 9 minims of the dilute alcohol and 10 downwards strokes of equal strengths will give the second potency. Okay. So all preceding potencies are prepared by taking taking 1 minims of the preceding potency and 9 minims of the dilute alcohol. Okay. So drug under these classes are like just examples, okay, what comes under this, okay. So thusa already we know, okay, thusa we have talked about thusa, okay. Then okay, euphrasia is there, it is a good medicine for eye complaints, okay, later on you will know when you will study materia medica, okay. Then thymus cerebellum is there, okay. Then merculine is there, okay. Vinca minor is there, okay. Thalassi versa is there, okay. Verulinum is there, okay. Oleander is there. Oleander is poisonous, okay. You will study in second year also with this your forensic medicine and toxicology, okay. This oleander, about oleander, okay. Thusa occidentalis is there, okay. Thusa already we have talked, okay. What thusa you see in our nearby, okay, in like our college nearby our campus, that is thusa, not orientalis, not occidentalis, okay, remember it, okay. Thusa occidentalis is only found in the European countries, okay. The Stoxydendron, Uris versa, okay, Viscum album, okay. Then next is the Symphytum. Symphytum is a good medicine for bones, okay, like it is used for the by bone complaints or like any type of tear, okay, means it works like a calcium, okay, for bones. Okay, then we will see the other examples. Okay, barks. Okay, we have different barks also. Miserium is there. Okay, Miserium is a good medicine for skin complaints. Okay, there is itching sensation. Okay, itching of the whole body. Many complaints are there. So it is good medicine for itching and other problems, skin problems. Okay, birds. Okay, prunus is there. Okay, twins. Okay, Taxus. Okay, Taxus baccata is there. Okay, then Strobolium. Okay, then lupulus is there, okay. So all these things are there, okay. The many drugs, at least two at least you remember from each class, okay, so that that will be easy for you, okay. So this class 2 till class 2 we have done, okay. So class 3 we will see on Monday, okay, on next class, okay. Tomorrow is Sunday, okay. So in next class we will see, okay. So till here, anything, any doubt you want to ask, anything? These chapters are like that you need to remember. Okay, means I told na ki like a history. Okay, already Dr. Hanneman has told, and if you will ask something like ki